watching this video, there are some extra precautions you must take before cooking. Number 1. Do not burn yourself. Number 2. Make sure to wash hands before cooking. This is to avoid diseases such as beaver fever, and also diseases and fevers like One Direction infection. First, turn on the stove, fill the pot with water and set it onto the stove. Next, when the water begins to boil, turn the heat down and pour in the noodles. Wait for the noodles to cook. Then when the noodles are done cooking, pour the noodles in a strainer and shake the strainer to get rid of any excess water. Put the noodles back into the pot. Next, heat up the sauce. Then when the sauce is done, pour it onto the noodles, stir the noodles and sauce together. Then scoop a amount of spaghetti onto a plate, eat and enjoy. Optional, add Parmesan cheese for topping.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Keep going, I can edit, so. Oh my god!
No!
Yeah!
Do not touch my baby. Give me my baby.
This is a podcast.